Yes, hello there. Today we will see this product we manufacture under Thuse brand. It is called as Timeline Astronomical Time Switch. You can also call it as a timer, street light timer, simple language. Now we'll just see the connection details. We will see mounting facilities, and we will see the uh, all configurations adjustments possible in this timer. So starting with the mounting facilities, we have this optional. This product looks like this. These are the flanges. You can mount the product on the flanges on the wall. So this can fit on the wall like this. This is the product from side view. This is the back view, and you can mount it on the wall, right? This can fit on the wall like this. Okay, now if you want a DIN rail arrangement, DIN rail mounting is also possible. So you can see this same product with a DIN rail arrangement. You can this kind of attachment. We can give this kind of attachment, and this can be fixed onto the body of the this enclosure of the product, and this can be mounted as a DIN rail on DIN rail if you want. This option is also possible. So I'll keep it aside. Let's talk about the basic raw product. Now let's see the connection details, how it is connected. This has got an input supply, live and neutral, that is called as phase and neutral in. So you can connect phase and neutral supply at the input, and these are the connecting screws. You can do it. It's a one-time activity, and output you can connect it. It's marked as output, and it is N and L. So this goes to the load. The specification wise, if you see, it is written clearly. This accepts very wide range of input voltage, right from 90 volt AC to 440 volt AC. It is written 50 hertz, but it can also work on 60 hertz in some certain conditions. Maximum contact rating is 30 amperes at 230 volt AC input. Okay, this is the information given on this. Now let us turn it on. You can see the size of the product is very compact. It is very much compact, just like a pen. You can just, I'm holding a pen, you can relate it. Now let us power it on. We'll apply the power. You see the welcome message. It clearly says what is the product with the software version number, manufacturer's name, country of origin, website of the manufacturer. Now you can see it shows current date and time. Okay, so it is showing 11:44. I am recording this at 2:15 p.m. here in India, and the time set into this product is as per Jordan time. You can see as per Jordan time what is the on 21st August. You can see what is the on time and off time. Now it is 11:45 here there in Jordan, which is lagging behind the time compared to India. It automatically calculates today's sunset and sunrise time. You can watch it on time and off time. On time indicates at what time the street light will get powered on, and off time indicates at what time the street light will get powered off. In this case, it clearly shows that at 7:14 p.m. the street lights would be turned on, and in the morning 6 o'clock 6:04 it will turn the lights off. Now let us see the configuration settings available in the product. So one thing, if you want to do some electrical line maintenance and if you want to turn on the lights during daytime, I'll show you how to do it. There is you can see the first two. One is set button and other is up button. You can press both the buttons together for few seconds. It will turn on the load. You can watch this now. I have connected a load here and this is the load. You can see the bulb and I am just doing the bypass function. It is just pressing these first two buttons together simultaneously. I am just pressing it. See that it has turned on the load, and what is written here is bypass mode. Can you read that? Bypass mode. So to come out of bypass mode, I press this again. These two buttons, I press it again for a few seconds. It exits bypass mode and starts showing the current, date and time along with the astronomical on time and off time for that date. Let's talk about the configuration settings. So I press the up button to configure the latitude, longitude of any place. We have applied GMT offset for Jordan into the software. So if you want to install this anywhere in Jordan, you can set the coordinates of Jordan city whatever you want. Currently we have assumed that you want to install this product in capital of Jordan, that is Amman. So let's see how to configure the latitude, longitude coordinates of the city of installation. So for that you have to press the middle key, that is up key. Let us press it for some time. So now it is showing Twilight Astronomical settings. It is showing that you have to enter the latitude. I entered, these are the Jordan latitudes. So I can edit it by using up and down. I can edit it by using up key, and then I press next to move on to the next level. So at 31.9544 north, that is the latitude, and the longitude is 035.9106 east. So if I want to do some adjustments, I can do it here, but I am not fiddling with the coordinates. Now next I am just pressing this last button, settings saved, it comes here. Now again it starts showing the on time and off time. Okay, now what I have done is I have set a different date, keeping the latitude, longitude coordinates the same. I have set 6 December 2025 and the time remains same. I have not disturbed the time. Current time is 11:51 AM Jordan time. So let's see, by changing the date merely as the date advances, what would be the sunrise sunset time in Amman in the morning. In the evening the sunset will be at 5:31 PM and the sunrise in Amman would be 7:22 AM. So this is how it is automatically calculating, arriving at the street light operation. When it dynamically changes the street light operation time as the date advances. So now let us see how to adjust the date and time. Let us see how to adjust the date and time. Okay, by pressing the first and the third key, you can adjust current date and current time. So first and the last key, by pressing it together simultaneously for some time, it will enter the current date and it will show it's blinking, date is blinking, DD, MM, YY. These are the format. This is the format. DD, this is DD, date, month and year. By pressing up and down key, you can scroll it and then it comes to current time. It comes to current time. You can adjust the current time whatever you want and then press next. Setting gets saved. Okay, so I have not adjusted anything. I kept the date 6th December. Now see, it is showing 6th December 2025. So what I am doing, let us roll it back. We had changed this date to vary the current date so as to study what is the effect on the change of date on off timings. So let's make it 21st. I put next button, arrow button. It blinks. So I am changing the month by pressing up key. It goes and goes. It has come to August. I press next. 25. I am not disturbing that. So I am pressing that last key again. I can set the current time. The hour is blinking. Now the next is I press the arrow key again. It is blinking the minute side. I can set it whatever I want. I will not deviate much. I will come back to the main time again. 12:07, that was the time when we started changing the minute. So it will automatically roll back to 00. So 12:07, I press next. Settings are saved. Now you see the date, on time and off time has come back, rolled back to the correct on off time of the street light applicable for 21st August for Amman city in Jordan, right? So this is how this product can be explained. This product also comes with an additional feature. It is a safety feature to protect your load from suddenly shoot up of high voltage. It can get damaged. So if you want, you can enable this voltage protection feature. So I am enabling. I'll show you how to enable the high voltage and low voltage. There are two trip levels you can set. One is high voltage, one is low voltage. So I'll show you how to do it. I press the last button for some time, few seconds only. It shows voltage trip on and off. So it is toggling. I can toggle it either on or off, right? If I keep it off, then it will go next. Settings are saved. So you are not enabled voltage protection feature in this product, right? Now let us enable this feature. I press this button again. It shows voltage trip off. I am just pressing the middle button to enable it. I made it on. It was off already before. I press next. It shows lower trip levels. I can set any low voltage trip level, whatever I want. Let's keep it 120 volts, whatever. I press next. It shows upper trip level. I can set by pressing this. It jumps by 5 volts. Maximum you can set is 320 volts and minimum is 240 volts for as a upper trip level. So let's restore it to 270 volts. That's what we recommend, and press next button. It's the hysteresis. So at what voltage I can set the hysteresis here like this. At what voltage from the trip level, when the voltage comes to the safe range, how much voltage? So 5 volts, 6 volts, you can set anything. Like 270 is the trip level. If it falls back to 265 volts, if it is a 5, this count is 5, it will restart at 265 volts. If you keep it 6, it will restart at 264 volts, right? I'm just keeping it 5. Next, recovery delay. Recovery delay also you can adjust. It is after the power on, or rather after recovery from the high voltage, not power on. After recovery from the high voltage, it will offer the delay whatever you set. I have just changed it from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. Now the settings are saved. This is how it works. If you don't want this feature, over voltage trip, so just simply press the last button again. It shows, I am just turning it off. It is that simple. It's quite simple. So by changing the current date, you can see that it has rolled back to the current date and time for sunrise and sunset, at which the light is supposed to turn on and off. I hope you like this video. One small correction. This product, we have enhanced the label. This is a earlier production batch sample. The next correction what we have done is we have changed the name of this button, last button, from edit to next. Right? You can see the difference. First two names are same. Last name we have changed. It is just for your advanced information. The supply will come with next printed on the last button. Thank you very much. Look forward to do a long-term business association with your company. Thank you very much.